Hey everyone, welcome back to our weekly face massage tutorial. Today we will get rid of smile lines, also known as nasolabial fold, with the simplest, most effective face massage. Get rid of those mouth lines, smile lines, laugh lines, whatever you want to call it. They bother us so much. So let's get started. Massaging our scalp first. Why? Because we are going to release the lymph stagnation. Start from the middle and go till your ears. Lymph stagnation happens due to tense levator muscles that block the lymph nodes, so we are going to release them slowly in a circular motion. Let's apply some oil or cream for smooth movement. Now, with your index and middle finger, massage on the depressor. Move in a circular motion. Do it for 3 to 5 times. And now move upward and with an outward movement towards the temple. Repeat 5 to 10 times. Now start from the corner of your nose, go upward slowly, one side at a time. Go till the starting point of your upper orbital bone and release. Repeat. Repeat for 5 to 10 times. Repeat on the other side as well. Now hold on to one side like this and we will glide from our nasolabial folds to the temple, gliding and lifting. Make a hook with your index finger and glide like this. It is very important to work on our cheekbones as the muscles holding on to the cheekbones start losing up. We start getting folds here on our nasolabial, on the corner of our mouth. Do it for 5 to 10 times. Repeat on the other side as well. Don't forget to do it for the same amount of time on the other side. Moving on to our next massage technique, hold on to this point on the side of your nose, the levator muscle, and move 10 times in circular motion. You will feel the bone, but actually you are working on your muscles here. Do it for 10 times and stretch on the opposite direction. Stretch, glide slowly 10 times. Do it on the other side as well. Now place your opposite hand like this on the cheeks with thumb pointing up. Move towards your temple like a vibrating motion. Remember to relax your muscle. Don't try to resist the muscles of your lips holding on too tightly. Let it relax and don't overstretch as it can damage the skin. So that was it. Do let me know in the comment below how was your experience. Remember to be consistent, and if you find the tutorial useful, hit like and subscribe to our channel. I appreciate your love and support. Bye.